I tricked you. I tricked you. I tricked her to come up here so I could give her a hug. She's trying to escape. Why do you hate me? Goodbye. She just knocked the baby cat off.
How are you doing? Yes, you. Are you kidding me? Okay, it's not even 8 a.m. That's not cool. I guess we're having another day without power. Glad I made breakfast. Well, I guess I have gas now, so it wouldn't have been that big a deal, but still. This is ridiculous. Ridiculous, Zesco. Get your life together. Huh. 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 Ugh. I'd rather the power be out overnight, but I guess it makes more sense during the day since more people use more power during the day, but... The power went out, and it's a really nice day out. I opened the windows, and the screen's shut, but, like, it's just on hinges. Can you see that? So, in theory, they could get it open. I mean, obviously they don't know how, but if they, like, decide to climb it and do something annoying, then they might be able to get it open. Hi, Finn. One time I let Finn in through the window, and now anytime I open the window, he thinks he's allowed in. Hello, Finn. Hi. Are you okay, Mr. Fluffy? Mama was very angry. We had to do a timeout. Hi, Finn. Yeah. Finn, I think you need to get down. Bless you. Are you being nice? Finn. Oh my gosh. Finn, be quiet. Oh my gosh. Finn. Oh. Shh. Go. I know. You gotta go. Go on. Hi. All right, all the cats came and sniffed around my bedroom, so I have kicked them all out, and I've opened my bedroom window so Finn can come and bug me here without the cats getting mad at him. Yeah, you can come to the other window too. I'm gonna open it, okay, Finn? Come around this way. Hi. Come on, Finn. Hi, boy. Yeah, now I can pet you. Hi. Hi. Oh, you want to come in? You want to come in? You can't come in. You can't come in. You're an outside boy. Okay. In we go. I'm just going to squish you. Squish you so you can't get in. Oh, he's figuring it out. Okay. Oh, okay. Finn, you're going to fall. And you did. Living his best life right now. Yeah. You're having a fun time. You're having a good time, boy. I love you. He sniffed in this spot a bit, which is where the pee was, and so did the baby when she was in here. So I'm wondering if I should wash everything again. Can they still smell the pee? Like, what are the chances? Because there's a pad underneath, and I washed the pad. So what are the chances it still, like, smells like cat pee? I can't smell anything. I put my face right up there and sniffed in hard, and nope, nothing. We interrupt this broadcast for more cat content. I love it when they sit like this. I call it meerkat mode, and it's so funny. It's really funny when they don't have their paws propped up against something to hold them up, when they're just like, yeah, like that. Mama, put your other paw down too. Yeah, she did it for, but it's so cute. Come here, Mama. Hi. Are you a cute meerkat? Yeah. Yeah. I probably already said this, but just be prepared for a lot of cat content today, because there's no power and I don't have any plans. Look at that cat, though. Isn't that a cute cat? Wow. Baby? Did you come to cook with me? The baby loves to cook with me. I'll probably just cook all of this, since I eat so many like peppers and onions anyway. Move my candle. All right, I'm gonna wash and cut these. Okie dokie, here is lunch. I chopped up about a whole tomato, mixed it in with the black beans, heated up on the stove. Here's half an avocado, veggies, and some chips. Delicious. Just walking to the meeting. I have sunscreen on my face, but I didn't put any on my arms. Hopefully they don't get burnt. But literally I'll just be in the sun for the length of time it takes me to walk there. That shouldn't be more than 3 minutes, if that. Okie dokie. Meeting went well. Nathan and David came over, and David was gonna help me hook up the security cameras to the TV. But one, we had no power, and two, apparently the painters filled the hole that was in the wall. Oops. But the power just came back on. Look at that. So I'm gonna do the dishes, start the dishwasher, and I don't know what I'm gonna do. I don't know what I'm ever gonna do. Yeah, no idea. All right, it is 7 p.m. and guess what I'm doing? You're right. Oh, sorry, my cat just scared me. I don't know. Whew, she just stood up and I didn't expect. She's in that little bed and all of a sudden she just like popped up. Anyhow, I'm boiling some water over there to make some din din. Probably some of that protein pasta. Look at him. I love him. And I love you. And I love you. And I love my outside children. Just not as much as I love you guys. Though sometimes more because they're outside and that's annoying. Anywho, I am gonna make sure I film an outro tonight. And I'm also going to work hard on vlogging after 2 p.m. since I forget to do that. I think the thing is, like, I do things after 2 p.m. Like, I go places, I'm not at home working and bobbing around the house, so I just forget to film anything. Also, I'm pretty sure like 100% of this video is just cats and then me sitting here on the couch talking. I hope you guys like curtain backgrounds. So, this is pretty good. I feel like this would make a really nice, oops, pasta down. This would make a nice cold salad. Oh my goodness. All right. Are you seeing these paws? Look at those paws. Oh, I want to touch the belly. Look, she slow blinked me. I love you too. Oh, belly. Dang it. I forgot to fill up my water. But I don't want to go back out there because then the cats think we're hanging out. All right. I'm just gonna hope I don't get thirsty tonight, I guess. I'm gonna take a bath now. Dang it. I just got into bed and I realized I went out there and got the lotion for my sunburn and I didn't even put it on. Now I had to get up. Ah! I'm gonna go do that. Good night. Good night.